Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Tom, and in this video you will learn how you can add scroll to top in Mobirise. So let's go. First, what you want to do is go to your menu, to My Sites, and just edit site styles. When you're gonna have it, you're gonna see it here, scroll to top button in the options, and you want to just click on it. And when you're gonna scroll down, you can see it here. And when I will preview it in the browser and I'll scroll down, I can easily go up. So this was like 30 seconds tutorial, really short, really quick. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. You know how it works. I'll be really thankful for it. And I hope you are going to have a great day, because you are a great person. You are an amazing person, and I love you. So that's it. That's what I wanted to share with you. Have a glorious quarantine and stuff like that. Great day, guys. Goodbye.